Hi, good morning. So market has been opened and then below the range and below the value area also and then gap down. It was a huge gap down and volatility also has been increased. Did you watch here? 18.42 as of now, and it's broken the all balance. So the balanced area, wherever it is, it has been broken. So I was finding a balance somewhere here, but still, like it's not so much of confidence in this area. I'm talking about here, this area. This area even market profile also is looks good, but here is poor low. So this poor low has been taken out now. So let's see. So how this power low is performing this place. In while you come to the like kind of order flow chart, this order flow chart actually it shows kind of a bearish. It's completely bearish. Like sellers are more, and here also sellers are more. I think sellers are getting trapped in this area. Let's wait and watch. We need to rethink on our monthly and weekly and everything. So let's me review now. So monthly we can see it's bullish, and this is kind of a bullish we can able to see. And then weekly as well it's a very bullish, but daily the market has been opened down. It's kind of a open test drive as of now. Another 20 minutes or more to close this first A period and B, C. So we need to check. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Hope my sound is good now. Morning itself, I think I feel some like kind of bearish, like kind of full of sellers. But in this area, actually, like kind of sellers are getting trapped. Actually, I need to check it up because see, let me show you something. See here, buyers are weak, buyers are weak, sellers also weak, sellers also weak. But here, buyers are very clear. They wanted to go above. But here, again, sellers came and they pushed market down. And now the sellers have continued and they are pushing here again. And you can see here. So this is the buyers are weak, so good not able to defend this location. So that's why it's pushing down further. So market need to find some balanced area. So the balanced area, the next balanced where it is located, that we need to find. Did you remember this point? I have mentioned this area. Day before yesterday, I have told you. So here I'm finding a clear balance. So this area is going to be my next watching level. But in between here, I will get some trade or whatever it is, I will execute for myself. Okay, so for that only actually like I'm waiting. Hope you understand actually what I have told you because you are following me continuously. So 2 days back I have told I have found a balance. So that area, exactly this area, I'm looking into balance and along with the POC. So this area, mainly this area, I am looking 23,657. Let's come to OA chart also. So OA chart also I will be reviewing now. So accordingly, we'll see. Levels, let me tell you now. The levels which I'm looking now, 23,685 and then 23,625. In between these levels, actually, I'm expecting. So I'm expecting that's as my target actually as of now. If in case still the sellers wanted to continue, but I need to check in the order flow chart as well. The order flow chart, if see some bullishness, so then I need to go move further on that. So this area also I need to watch because as per the market profile, this area is little strong. But let's wait and watch. Hope you can see the levels here. These levels. Let me write it down. I will write it down now. Hope you can see the levels actually. Here it is. So the levels it's showing very clear area. So this area I'm going to see the market. So let's see here how it's performing. Buyers have entered in this area. Let's wait and watch. today is going to be a big fight because yesterday market has been went up 200 points and again it's came down and again it's continuing now. So in this area, let's wait and watch. From this POC got pushed back again. So I think today low has been confirmed. Let's see what will happen. Actually, day low has been confirmed. So this is going to be a day low in many cases. Let's see. So the next candle also is closed above this area. So let's wait and watch. So this area I'm going to watch much. And then the OA data which I have told you, I will be reviewing now. So OA data, let's take it out. Hope you can see my OA data details. And today 23,900 put option change is high, which is around 27 lakhs, and call option also it is around 34 lakhs. So both are there fighting in this level. But if you come to 24,000, the call options call writing is happened today, like call OA change is almost 50 lakhs, but put OA change is hardly 2 lakhs. That means like show of interest is very less in 24,000. So let's hope the best. So today we will be in like downside. We are expecting as of now, but maybe anytime can change this scenario. Like OA data, it will every minute it will be get revised. So we need to watch carefully in these levels. Let's wait actually. Some consolidation should happen in this place. Then only we can plan for anything. So this balanced area it's getting reacted. So let's see. So because here the balance is here. So let's wait and watch. So what's happening in this area. Then after we can plan our trade accordingly. So but 24,000 is the important level because of the call options, right? The call writers are sitting in this place. So we have to watch these levels mainly, these areas. So accordingly, we'll plan anything because some consolidation would happen and accumulation, everything would happen. Then only the market either it will be pushed upside or downside or whatever it is. So let's wait and watch. But day low, I feel this would be. So if it is broken this, then we'll. I have marked another level in footprint chart. So footprint chart 23,686 is my next level to watch. Any doubt if you have, you can type in comments so I can able to respond accordingly. And this education, this content is completely educational purpose. It's nothing kind of services which we are providing. This is educational purpose which I'm sharing my view of market and then how I'm going to plan a trade for a day, and then after my executions I will be update you. And every day evening I will come for an live. So for 15 minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes for explaining and then for the day, and then the expectations what we are going to keep for next day. So my expectations was yesterday it was I think bullish, but what news has taken down the market that we need to check. See the buyers are getting entered. Let's see. See, I feel some like kind of a bias, valued bias has been entered. Let's see, because 24,000 I told you, so 24,000 is my level. So 24,000, if it is got broke, then we can do something. So what's in market profile? Market profile says very clearly that it's in downside. So it looks bearish, the market. Why it looks bearish? If you have any like kind of comments, like kind of news based anything are there, news are there, you can share. We are seeing some bullishness here, but still I told you 24,000 is our key points. So this candle will decide like where we are now. Hardly you see the market profile, like market profile still now the directions which has not been confirmed. So this area we feel some kind of a balanced, so we can able to combine and see where exactly we are like getting in a proper area, so where we can able to get a trade. Can you see here some single prints are here, this area 24,200 like 188 and all, it's 190 is there, and low volume also here. So if in case is bullish, we can able to try on this area, like where market will come and reject, or it will break through. But in upper side, for me, this is balanced. See, I told you 24,000 getting rejected again. So let's watch it out 24,000 levels, because OA, the call writers has been increased in that one. So let's once again review on the. So in last 5 minutes, like 24,000 call OA, it has been come to 70 lakhs now. And you can hear me now very clearly. See guys, told you the same. 24,000 I told, so 24,000 exactly the rejection has come up again. But let's see, this will be our day low. So day low, let's see it's clearing or not. If it is cleared, then clear trend to down. So we can see our levels here. Even some rejection area also is here. Like market has been rejected with the same place. You can see the two candles, which is exactly this level of the spike. We can see this as a single prints and then the rejections from the same point. It came and reject and went. But why it is rejected, we can see now. So why it's got rejected this level in the day if you are there. So why it's got rejected. Single prints is the, here is a single print. And again, here was the balance. It's not a balance, it's kind of a, try to fill this area. The market has been try to fill this area. From this area it's got a rejection and it's went up. Okay, Let's wait for it. Deepa ma'am, are you there? You see the 23,900 put option is getting built. So keep on increasing. Their put writers are getting entered in that levels. So let's see. 37 lakhs as of now. Put weight change in 24,900. Sure, ma'am. I think hope you can hear my voice now properly. Still, I have not planned anything. If I plan something, I will let you know because I'm seeing like this areas is kind of a consolidation or whatever it is because Yes, let's talk about on now the situation what it is. So it's broken this level, it's came down, and even you can see that call option like 24,900. I told you know the OA open interest now. Earlier put option was developed, but now the call options is crossed within 42 lakhs. In 5 minutes, I'm just checking now. So the market is now 23,850. But our volume profile level is reacting is very good. So let's watch the market on next this area. Again, we will see, and you can see here some single prints also, some rejections has one happened here, and we can aim it our next target should be here. So I could not say target, next levels, but this area I'm confident. So let's come to this area and give a pullback. Sorry ma'am, I have seen your message little late, but I responded now. You can check it out. you see this area volumes are very less, and let's come back to here, and buyers also is not there, only sellers are there. So that means shows bearishness in the market. Let's see. Guys, are you there in live? So still check the levels which we have marked. So here is the low volume node. Completely this area has been a low volume node. Let's watch these levels. And these levels got broken, I told you. So this is my area where the balance is going to be in the market. So this balanced area I'm going to look further. And even though the AB low, so I wanted to check this area only next. If I'm in a trade, I would have just exited my point something here, these levels, and then I will be waiting for this level to further to watch. Okay, so that's what all I wanted to inform you. That's it. Thank you. And yes, of course, I will be here for some time. Then after we'll exit. Okay, Deepa ma'am, you there? See the huge sellers. It's a very big sellers. Like see, 1,600 lots has been traded in a single location. Then the price of 23,871. If you come to OA chart, the OA chart, like it's completely in call options. I think it's been written here. Call options is almost 48 lakh written in the 23,900, and then 24,000 call options, which is around 61 lakhs. So it's good. Again, I will give you a recap of today. So where we have a little field hesitate, and then we waited for trade, and again we entered after crossing the low. Then we got our target, whatever it is we planned as. Okay, so see, this is a open day open here, and then it's touched again. It's came back. So here itself, it's open below the value of yesterday's market. Just a minute. Let me reload with server. Yeah. Yeah, it's opened out of the range, and it is touched and come back again, and it is kind of an open test drive. So that's what the technical terms it says. And here was the balance, and we were expected to be here some balanced area. So but this area has been, you can see the balance here which I have marked. So this level day low I have confirmed this area, but the day low has been broken here. So I was entered somewhere here. Actually, I supposed to enter here, but I little hesitate. This low has to be broken, so that's why I waited this long. Otherwise, I would have entered somewhere here only. But here I entered. Of course, I captured around. Had captured around 76.75 points or something. So this is enough actually. 60 points generally I would aim for it. Like that's my target actually. 60 near I will be entering my place, and 60 my targets always. So 25 my stop loss. So that's what I keep always. Oh, let's see. In the same place again got rejection. In footprint chart also got rejection, but there are no buyer signs. I'm seeing here 200 lots, 300 lots it has been traded, but still we need to reconfirm it in this level. They reconfirm these levels, so then only we can able to do it. So let's again reset our context on the market building, and again we will be come back. And then this level, if it is rejected and it went up, and our another levels and all, you can name it for POC or whatever it is, but this levels is sure. So within 2 3 days may it can be hit, depends upon the market situations, because I feel the balance is here. Once the balance is hit, then we can rebuild our again context. So from balance to imbalance, imbalance to balance again. So volatility is very high, and trade responsibly. Okay. thank you so much for everyone to join this live. So let's watch on these levels, and then after you can trade responsibly over there. Okay. So still the buyers and sellers are getting fighting much here. So let's watch and you can trade further on that. Okay. So thank you so much for joining this live. So evening I will be reviewing my trades and then what entries we have got and then how we traded. So that all will be discussed on this. Thank you so much once again